It's quite common for people to use a custom fitting RIC mould rather than the little rubber domes. These use a slightly different filter system. They're known as ProWax. So to swap these wax filters, what we have to do is take out one of these little ProWax turtles, very similar to the ProWax miniFit. Once again, you pull out one of these little U-shaped tabs. There's the barb to click in and pull out the existing one, and there's the fresh one. So what we do is we simply hold the base of the receiver, we line up the barb nice and straight, it clicks in and it pulls out the existing filter, and then we flip it around 180 degrees, guiding the fresh ProWax filter into place, and it leaves it behind. And there we have it, we've got a nice fresh filter in the end of our RIC mould. So whether you use a micro mould, a hollow tip, or even a higher powered PowerFlex mould, it's likely to use the ProWax rather than the ProWax miniFit. These actually have a broader aperture, so they're a little less likely to clog up. It might take a bit more wax to clog them up than the ProWax miniFit. Here we have an example of a PowerFlex mould. This has a high-powered receiver built into the acrylic, and it's got a full skeleton lock to give it lots of security in the concha bowl of the ear. As you can see, these also use the ProWax wax filters. So same thing again, you'd imagine it had a little receiver wire connected there. I just take out one of the little U-shaped tabs, I hold it with a firm grip, and I line up the barb, click straight in, pulls that one out. That's empty now. I've got to flip it round and guide a fresh filter in, and it leaves it behind. So it works the same. You'd imagine the PowerFlex mould is on the end of the receiver wire there.
Harmony Hearing